Hello, my name is Granit. I live in UK. I own a property in Cleveland, Ohio, USA. Due to the faraway distance and unable to manage my property, I decided to sell my house to Grayscale Capital. Before I sold my property, I was considering to keep it as rental, but because of the bad experience I had with tenants, I decided to sell it to Grayscale Capital. After I've done some search online, come across few buying agencies, I come across with Grayscale. After speaking to Ryan, which he sounds a trusted person and honest person, I decided to sell my property to Ryan from Grayscale. It was really professional and they handled the process very well and very fast. Living in the UK and having a house in USA, it was far away and it was stressful to manage the property from this far distance. The weakness part was the tenants, which they caused a lot of issue by not paying the rent and leaving the house in mess and trash, which caused a lot of stress for myself to manage the property. Selling the house to Grayscale, it was a good decision, able to manage the property as the local agency. I'll probably say the most trusted agency in Cleveland. So I'm grateful that I've sold the property to Grayscale. Working with Grayscale, the selling process, it was very fast, smooth, with no hassle. The transaction was very fast, no issue, and the communication with Ryan from Grayscale was excellent. Really, I would advise anybody that would like to sell property or manage property to contact Grayscale. Great agency. It was a very fast process and no issues when sold my property to Grayscale. It was fast and smooth process, a fast transaction, no issues, great communication. In the future, if I have to invest again in USA, I would only work with the Grayscale Capital. I would recommend anybody that have property in Cleveland, Ohio, or in USA to deal with the Grayscale agency and with Ryan, which is very trusted person to my experience. I would like to thank Grayscale Capital and Ryan. Thank you very much, and I appreciate the fast process on selling my property.